A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Ujem speaker sama Menteri Ketenaga Information and Public Relation hennegas ngi ka arpo atare urisau ulaple yak office building batmai jong ga DIPR ni ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations halu wala shumia ha ka ni sngi ple yak ni ka office building jong ga DIPR ga batmai layadon langru u director ka DIPR UBS Solia MCS ka secretary ka DIPR ikong Matsudor Warnongbri IAS ki head officer ka DIPR lembat kiwe haba ajeng kran ha ka ni sngi ujem speaker sama ulapan pau ya kajing songo ya uba el hek umentri bapet ya kani katanat ba menchwa uba lapan rolong ya kajing thumu ko jong u bante ya kani ka building ka batmai jong ga di IPR u James ungai ru ba kani ka building batmai kabalong ka bahe kanyarap ya ki officer lemba ya ki nong trai kani katanat makinang trai khamba shu shu na ka bantau pa ba une umentri upentip ru ba ha kani ka building ka batmai on ai jakaru ya ka Shillong Press Club ba kandon la ka jong ka office ha kani ka building.
Today, I'm really honored and privileged to be standing here on this red letter day for the Department of Information and Public Relations, where we are all realizing this long-awaited dream of the DIPR having an office of its own. And I'm really privileged that this much awaited inauguration is happening during my tenure as INPR Minister. At the outset, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate our Secretary of IPR, Srimati Nongbri, the Director of the IPR, Shri Batlang Solia, all the officers and staff of the IPR, the former IPR ministers, especially Ba A.L. Hek, during whose tenure the concept and the initiation for this building took place, all the former additional chief secretaries in charge of IPR department, former principal secretaries, former commissioner secretaries, former secretaries, former directors. And here again I would like to make a special mention of Mahima Shankliang, who is presently the MLA also, and during whose tenure as director of the IPR, the building was initiated, the process for it. And also all those officials serving and retired responsible for making this dream a reality. I commend your efforts, which have yielded fruits in spite of numerous challenges along the way. The way I see it, the DIPR office building will turn out to be one of the most prominent landmarks of Lower Lashmere in particular and Shillong City in general. And to know that the building is also accommodating a central government office, namely the office of the Passport Seva Kendra, the Shillong Press Club and others, the joy gets amplified considerably. The DIPR, being the press and publicity wing of the government, has a crucial role to play. And this role, not just in the day-to-day governance at various levels, up to the grassroots with the programs and the policies of the government, but also in highlighting all the different schemes that are being initiated by the government, implemented by the government. And these will be made accessible to the citizens of the state through its various units, including the press unit, the advertisement unit, the publication unit, the field publicity unit, the technical unit, and others. With changing times and evolving dynamics of communication, there is an urgent need to upscale our efforts at all levels in terms of service delivery in order to ensure that the visibility of the department is enhanced from what it is today. I believe that if we put all our heads together and with this new workspace, I'm sure we would be able to achieve and to bring about new interventions to augment the services of the department in the days to come. The recently introduced centralized system of payment of advertisement bills of different government departments, through which bills of all government departments are to be paid by the DIPR, has brought about an added responsibility to the department at the directorate and administrative levels. However, I believe that we all have the mettle to carry that load in the interest of all concerned stakeholders, particularly the media and press fraternity. The evolution of new media, namely social media, has brought about new challenges as well as opportunities to governance. I believe that reforms are to be effected in a phased manner in order to ensure sustainability of such reforms in the long run. Moving with the times and to supplement traditional forms of information dissemination, the department has ventured in the arena of social media by posting important government information through its official Facebook page, that is DIPR Meghalaya. And this is done on a day-to-day basis. With time, we can also think of venturing into other social media platforms in order to ensure wider reach of important information of the government to the citizens of our state. In view of the COVID-19 situation in the country and the state, I take this opportunity to also commend services rendered by the officers and staff of the IPR, particularly the foot soldiers, namely the technical staff, who I'm told have been on duty in the field without break since the beginning of the countrywide lockdown and till date. I wish you all good health. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as you continue to serve the people of the state through the INPR department, I wish you all the very best.